you doing? Please, take your seat. Seriously, darling? Ako pa mabuhat? Ah, sorry, darling. Sorry, darling. Darling, please take your seat. I'm sorry. Are you okay, darling? Please order. Let's call the waiter. Waiter. Shh. Waiter. Good afternoon, sir. What is your order, sir? Seriously? Naratas Pilipinas dong. Ano kang sik English? Ha? Pwede mag-Pinoy ra ka, mag-Bisaya, o Bisaya ra magyapon ta. Ano man dapat mag-English? Kasabot ko Bisaya. Dili ko Amerikano, dili ko Englishero. I'm sorry, sir. Um, pasensya na din. Pasensya, sir. Bisaya ta, sir. Pinoy ta, sir. Okay. I would like to order, sir, giampas ti ka, sir, kay ni English ka, sir. Of course, sir. We're Filipino ta, sir, ha? Pinoy ta, sir. Bisaya ta, sir. Dapat ta magbisaya, sir, ha?